Hey, let me give you a quick walkthrough of the Lasko fan here. For starters, it was very simple to put together. It took just a couple minutes, so easy. But you can see that it has a really wide area here. I think it's about 16 inches, and it can really push a lot of air. It has 3 different settings on it for speeds, 1, 2, and 3. And the lowest setting moves enough air to keep you cool and keep things moving. And the highest setting really forces a ton of air. It's incredibly powerful. And it also has an oscillating effect that when on the lowest setting, it moves a little slower, and on the highest setting, it moves a little faster. And I also like how quickly this moves up and down. I'm 6'1", and so at its highest spot, it comes up to about my chest here. And then it's really easy to adjust. You just grab onto the extension pole here, twist this counterclockwise, and then the fan will drop down like that. And you can see that at the lowest setting here, it's down below my waist, which means it really does have a wide range of versatility at its height adjustments. Has a nice sturdy base and some solid components all around, so I think it's going to last a long time. And you'll see that you can also tilt it back like this and forward. Very easy. And here's a quick look at the simple controls here. You have a tab here that turns off and on the oscillating effect, meaning if it's going to swing back and forth or not. And then you have the control knob that sits at 0 and then has a high setting of 3, a medium of 2, and a low of 1. And lastly, the cord is a 2-pronged wall attachment, and it's about a 6-foot, 4-inch reach. So let me show you quickly how much air it moves by dangling this little bag in front of it. Here's the lowest setting. Let's turn that up to the medium setting. And now let's put it on the highest setting. So there you go, it's a great fan. I'm gonna use it to stay cool in my kitchen when I'm cooking and when I'm sleeping at night. But I could also see this being used in more of like an industrial setting. Say you're like working in your garage or something like that, or you work on cars. On the highest setting here, I could see that being used and just keeping you cool even while you're hard at work. So it's a great little fan. I don't think you have anything to worry about. Go ahead and pick one up if you are looking for something like this.